Now we can also use the calculator to construct confidence intervals for population proportions. So instead of using the z-interval or the t-interval, we want to select the one-prop z-interval. So number 3 says, use the calculator to confirm your answer for question 1. So our information was x is 372, n is 1000, and c is 0.95. So I am going to enter this information into the one-prop z-interval. On the calculator, I want to press Stat, and then go over to Tests, and then all the way down to one-prop z-interval. So I have to enter x, n, and my confidence level, and then press Calculate. And my confidence interval, rounded to 3 places, is 0.342 to 0.402. So that is my confidence interval, and that does match what we found on question 1.